Namaskar. The next principle is the principle of Dnyan and Vivek, that is, knowledge and discernment. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna clears Arjuna's confusion not by force or any authority, but by offering Dnyan, that is, knowledge, and Vivek, that is, discernment. He helps Arjuna see the reality as it is truly, not as his fear or emotions makes it appear. This is one of the most powerful lessons for all of us, especially when dealing with conflicts. In many workplaces today, conflicts do not arise because of actual problems, but because of constant misunderstandings, half information, or assumptions. I would go ahead and say that it happens in our families, at our homes also. People react not to facts, but to what they think the facts are. The moment we apply Dnana, that is complete knowledge, and Vivek, the ability to interpret the knowledge wisely, we reduce friction and increase harmony. A simple example. Imagine two employees who feel the other is uncooperative simply because their mails went unanswered. Frustration builds, assumptions grow, tension rises. But when they finally speak to each other, they realize both are overloaded with deadlines and neither intentionally ignored the other. The conflict wasn't real, it was just a gap of misunderstanding and miscommunication. This is exactly what Lord Krishna teaches. When we gain clarity, conflict dissolves on its own. So, what is the message? Discernment, that is Vivek. It is the matter skill of conflict resolution. It allows us to see beyond the surface, to separate emotion from the facts, and to respond with wisdom instead of impulse. When we collectively have knowledge and discernment, most conflicts are resolved even before they begin. Before forming judgments, if one can collect full information and not jump to conclusions based on a single message or tone or impression, conflicts definitely will reduce. You need to verify facts instead of relying on assumptions. A quick clarification can prevent a long lasting conflict. Encourage data driven conflict resolution when the conversation shifts from I feel to here is the evidence. Emotions settle and solutions emerge. Use a root cause analysis instead of blaming individuals. Very often, the issue is in a process gap, a communication lapse, or an unrealistic workload, and not in any person. So, think wise, think knowledgeably, and react.